we already had a tremendous commitment to safety, which is what got us into the cameras in the first place. I can tell you that the performance drastically changed. Before we had the cameras, we couldn't measure it. And now that we can measure it, we saw what our baseline was when we started, and we can measure very clearly how, and what I tell our drivers is, this is going to tell you exactly how professional you are. We like to call ourselves professional drivers, and that we have a safety culture, and we work on that. In fact, for me at AIM, it's safety week this week. And so we're talking about our culture this week, big time. That's what I'm out and about doing right now. And we're talking about our core values and we're talking to all of our employees about our culture. And the camera was there to support the positive aspects of our culture, and it measured it. And that was huge, because that's what changed the performance. And not only measuring it and letting me see it, but letting them see it, letting the drivers see it in that app changed everything.